KGUN-9 On Your Side Weather with Chief Meteorologist Aaron Christensen.
You've got the other Aaron tonight. Chief Meteorologist Aaron Christensen is on vacation for one more day. She'll be back tomorrow, but we're going to talk about, yet again, another winter storm. We've been starting with this map quite a lot lately, and a real active pattern continues. This advisory, goes into effect tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the evening and lasts until Wednesday afternoon. So not in effect yet, but it has been issued for portions of eastern Pima County. We see southeastern Pinal County off to the north. Graham and Greenlee counties also included with this. Now, this isn't the only warning or advisory over the country for this storm. Look at all the blizzard warnings, watches, winter storm warnings and watches extending all the way up to Green Bay, Wisconsin, for our storm that hasn't fully come ashore yet. So this thing means business. It's very, very powerful, but we have a limiting factor. I'll talk about that here in a minute. So clouds move in tomorrow afternoon. We're going to start out sunny. Then the winds will increase later in the afternoon. Along with those clouds, some of the gusts up to 40, even higher off to the east of Tucson. Rain and mountain snow begin overnight, and they last until Wednesday midday. It's going to be a quick mover. So because of that, we're not expecting too much snow, but those levels will go down to 4,000 feet. We'll watch those snow levels just a couple inches. So I talked about it being a strong storm. Why isn't it going to give us a lot of rain? Why not a lot of snow? This is a progressive trough. Basically, that means on the backside of it, a very slow-moving jet, and then in front of the storm system, a fast-moving jet. So it's going to kind of latch onto that low and rip it away from our area and get it out of here. It's going to be a very quick mover, and because of that, our precipitation levels will stay on the low side. It's calm right now, 47 degrees at TIA with lots of stars in the sky. We were 3 degrees away from an average high today. 61 is what we recorded. The average is 64, pretty close to par for the low side of things, starting our day at 40. Although we have slid to the middle 40s right now here in Tucson, 43 in Sierra Vista. There's some 30s on the board. In Douglas, it's 39. And here's FUTURECAST. All night long, early tomorrow, notice how we're clear. This is 9 o'clock on Tuesday, going into the afternoon hours now. You see the rain start to fill in from north to south as that area of low pressure comes from that direction. And by early Wednesday morning, pretty much the entire area, save the western part of Pima County, will have a real good chance for those showers. Here's tonight's forecast. 35 in Nogales, 41 in Sierra Vista. We see 40 in Oracle. Elsewhere, pretty much the middle 30s will be expected in Cochise County and middle 40s into western Pima for tonight. Here in Tucson, we go down to 41. Not quite as chilly as last night. Still mostly clear skies, and the winds will be very, very light. That will change, though, tomorrow. Southwest, 10 to 25. Remember, those gusts could be up to 40 at times. Could see some blowing dust also, but we hit 70. So all in all, a nice day. And elsewhere, we see temperatures actually not quite as warm as Tucson. Look at Phoenix, 66. They'll actually be cooler than us because that front will reach them first. And here's the all-important 7-day planner now. We've got a 30% chance of rain tomorrow night, translating into an 80% chance Wednesday, although I think we'll be dry the second half of that day. Look at the high, just 52, and then a hard freeze likely early Thursday as our temperatures here in the city go down to 29 degrees. Beyond that, we're back to average with highs into the middle 60s for the weekend. 9 your side at 10. We'll be right back with sports after this.